King, I am in your debt. My name is Optimus Prime. My Autobots, they're in danger. I need to go.